my name is Manasseh Wongu. The Ultimate, that's what they call me, that's my stage name, from Benue State. And I'm a street artist. You know, I was born this way. I was just born this way. The thing is within. You know, that's one thing I do on a daily basis in the bathroom, in the kitchen. Even when I'm in the toilet, I'm doing music. You know, I'm an African. I do Afrocentric music. I'm in love with Africa, and I'll do things the African way. I want people to see music the African way, to appreciate music the African way. Same way we grew up appreciating music the American way. I started music that same way, but along the line, I discovered that no, I'm doing other people's culture. So let me come back home. Let me promote music the African way. Oh, I love that question. You know, growing up, I fell in love with a rugged man. That man did a lot of things for me. He does not know me, but I hope he knows me. I hope I get to know him someday. Rugged man has shaped my music and my music career in a very, very good way. Along the line, I fell in love also with a man called Badu, Olamide Badu. That man, I'm in love with him. I love his style of music. I want to be everything like rugged man. You know, I'm a street artist. Also, I'm a musician who promotes Africa. And everything I say in my music, mostly everything I say in my music is my personality. 80% of what I say in my music is my personality. I talk a lot about girls. I talk about a lot about the streets. I talk about what I see around me. When I sit down to write music, when I'm sleeping and I have that inspiration, it's always what I see around me. You know, for a long time, from the very beginning I started doing music. I've never been proud of myself as I am now. Maybe because of my own my new management right now, Elegant Empire Music. You know, I'm so delighted to get in contact with these people.
Elegant.
From production to management, personal management, you know, I'm just enjoying myself. Everything is just going well right now. And I'm expecting a banger because we are worked on so many projects that are yet to be released. And I promise you all that when my songs are finally dropped, you will love it. You know, I will tell you family. First, family. When I started music, my family, almost every member of my family was against my own music. My music career, everybody was against it. My father would tell me that musicians don't stay with one woman. That was just his own problem. And I knew my father being a bad guy in that way. You understand? But he would tell me that musicians don't stay with one woman. My aunt, you know, I grew up in an auntie in Abuja. I did my own school there. This woman frustrated me. She broke all my records. You know, I would sneak out, do music. Along the line, she found out that I was doing music, so she broke all my records. Till now, I don't have any, because I wasn't wise enough to save any of those in a drive. So that was my biggest, yeah. On Facebook, I am the Ultimate. On Instagram, the Ultimate Man. The Ultimate Man. THA, Ultimate Man. You know, on Twitter, the Ultimate Man. On TikTok, I am the Ultimate Man. You know, anything you are doing without a position, just know that you are not doing it the right way. Know that there's no greatness in that. I've been doing music and I see even friends laughing at my own kind of music. They say that, oh man, we don't like this, we don't like your own style. But one thing I kept doing is, I kept doing the same thing. I refused to talk. And now, I thank God I'm beginning to see love from what I've been doing. People are beginning to fall in love with my own style of music. So, whatever you are doing, don't look at people's opinion. Just do what God has given. Because I believe that music is given. You can't just wake up in the morning and you say, I want to start music. No. You can't just, no, I believe that music is given. It's a natural gift. It's a natural gift from nature. So any style you find yourself doing, just know that that's what God has given you. If you try to change, come on, that will be the beginning of your downfall. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, the Thaultimate, for coming around to the studio today.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.